Hi students, in the chapter we are going to discuss about matter in our surroundings. Particularly students, melting point and boiling point, latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. First of all students, we are already aware about the fact of kinetic energy. The kinetic energy are increase with the increasing temperature. Very important concept students. So first of all, what is kinetic energy? The minimum amount of energy required to move an object, any object, whether it is the human being, animals, or wooden materials like that, any object are moved from one place to other place. The minimum amount of energy required an object, that is called kinetic energy. Children, actually the kinetic energy are increased with the increasing of temperature. Due to the increase of kinetic energy, the particles start to vibrate at a greater speed. The energy provided by the application of heat breaks to forces. So, the energy provided by the application, any application, without application we cannot provide any energy, any forces. Of heat breaks the force, right? You know different type of phases now. So solid phases, liquid phases, and the gaseous phases. These are the three different type of states also. We are already discussed in the previous classes what are the states of matter, how they are classified, and the properties also were discussed in the previous classes. Here student, the phase as reached when a certain temperature solid gets converted to liquid. See here, the solid substance are converted to liquid state. So to conversion of the some phases we want to require the minimum amount of temperature. Suppose you take ice cubes is taking out from the freezer in our fridge. It is automatically converted to liquid state because of when applying some quantity of temperature. This temperature at which a solid melt and convert into liquid at atmospheric pressure is called melting point. See students, the temperature at which a solid melt and convert to liquid at a particular atmospheric pressure is called melting point. See student, the particle of water possesses a greater kinetic energy at 0 degrees Celsius. Very high. At 0 degrees Celsius. Then when application of more amount of heat, the particle of water start moving faster. So before the application of heat, it is randomly moving, gradually moving the particles in the water. At a specific temperature, the particle, it acquires enough energy to break free from the forces and attraction of each other. So it is automatically braked when applying the heat, students. At the particular temperature, the liquid start changing into gaseous state. When increasing temperature, you take it for example for water is going to melt. Then water is converted to vapor stage by applying the heat. The temperature at which liquid start boiling and start converting gas at the atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. Again I repeat this, the temperature at which a liquid it start to boil, then it is converted to gas at the atmospheric pressure. At the time, what are the temperature? That is called the boiling point. Correct? And the next important concept one, latent heat of fusion. What is fusion, students? The breaking of compound, the breaking of molecules, or breaking of any substance fusion. At the application of heat, that is called the latent heat of fusion. During the melting of solid, the temperature remains same. The heat gets used to converting in the forces of attraction. The forces of attraction very important. The particle of matter has break. The heat energy of being absorbed, the solid without any rise the temperature. This heat is aggregated to hidden to the content of the container and is called latent heat. See students, we don't need the external forces there. If any material are covered by the container having some amount of heat. By this heat, the substance are converted to liquid state. The type of heat is known as latent heat. The change is called fusion because the latent heat of fusion. Correct? And one more thing is latent heat of vaporization. So latent heat and vapor, the term the latent heat of vaporization can be defined as the amount of heat needed to conversion of 1 kg of liquid at its boiling point to gas at the same temperature. That is the main thing. It differ among the different liquids. It will be differ from water having the different type of latent heat vaporization, oil having the different type of latent heat vaporization, and also some of the hydrocarbon compounds like this fuel, petroleum, diesel, gases. These are the having different type of latent heat of vaporization. So it differ from among different liquids. Okay, students. The application of pressure with reduced temperature can liquid gases. Very important. The application of pressure with reduced temperature, it is automatically liquefy the gases, because already you know very well about the LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas. How they are liquefied? By applying the pressure with reducing temperature. Two important concept, very important students. See, we want to apply the pressure and at the same time we want to reduce the temperature. Then only the gas is converted to liquid state. That is called liquefied gases. For example, during particle of stage show the must have the notified smoke that spread around the stage. It is nothing but dry ice. You know very well the dry ice, carbon dioxide. The solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. It is stored under the high pressure that liquefied instantly as soon as pressure is reduced to 1 atmosphere pressure. So you know very well the familiar name carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. But the carbon dioxide are reduced with the applying of pressure with reducing temperature. It is converted to solid carbon dioxide. It is also known as what? Dry ice. The condition is very important. Reduced to 1 atmospheric pressure. Thank you, students.